How to transfer TikTok drafts to new phone. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So let me tell you something first. TikTok does not allow your drafts to be transferred directly to a new phone. So what you have to do is post them privately on only me, and then after that is posted, it will also appear in your new phone if you have logged in to that account. So yeah, there is no direct way, but this is an alternative for how you can still do it even though TikTok does not allow it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.